I've been procrastinating getting laser hair removal done for the longest time due to the fear of pain, but I finally made up my mind and visited the Aesthetic Edge. They're an advanced skin, dental and hair clinic. Led by Dr. Nancy, who has an experience of 8 years in the industry, the Aesthetic Edge provides safe and most advanced services. I went in for a consultation first where she analyzed my skin and made me understand the do's and don'ts of laser hair removal. We then went in to start the procedure. They strictly follow CDC guidelines for disinfection and sterilization using N-class autoclave. Step 1 was shaving off any hair that's grown because the hair needs to be the right length for the laser to treat it effectively. Then they set the energy to the desired wavelength, keeping in mind my comfort. They use ice-cool technology so the heat doesn't penetrate and hurt me. Once I wore the glasses to avoid harmful rays, they started with the procedure and we were done in an hour's time. It's important to apply the aftercare cream once done. They also offer free dental consultations on every visit. The doctors analyzed my cavity and made me realize the need to get it fixed. I had a great first session and I'll be going back for my second in 3 weeks. Stay tuned to my stories for more information.